How to fix Instagram notes not showing in your account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply click on message like option at the top right, and here you will find your note. You can add your note from here, but if this is not showing up, what you can do is open settings on your phone. In settings, scroll down till you find System. Click on System. Then click on System Updates. Then make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. If it's not updated, update it. Another way what you can do is open Play Store and update your Instagram. If there is update instead of open, simply update it. If it still does not fix your problem, open Instagram, go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up, which is settings and activity. Scroll down and then click on stories replies. After that, click on show activity status and turn this on. Sometimes if you turn this on, you will able to see your Instagram notes. If it still does not fix your problem, go back and click on Creator Tools. Scroll down and then switch account type and make sure your account type is creator or business, except for personal account. If you switch to creator or business account, your problem might be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram notes not showing in your account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.